So we've already talked about two of the most common objections, and there's really three more objections that you're going to hear quite often when you're in the field. So let's go ahead and cover those for you now. I don't want to go to the cloud. I like my box, my blinky little box. I like it in my data center. I like to be able to know where it is. Well, we don't hear this objection that often anymore. They are still out there. So challenge this objection. And the best way to challenge this objection is to find out who's the final decision maker. And believe it or not, most of the boxes they're talking about here are actually still physical boxes in a colo somewhere. Not even virtualized boxes. We can certainly show them total cost of ownership. We can show them a million reasons why they should move over. But sometimes we just have to wait these folks out, right? At some point in time, the person in charge of IT who says, I still have to have my boxes, they still have to be here, they won't be there any longer. So when you're handling the objection from what we lovingly call server huggers, we handle them with total cost of ownership calculators. We handle them with management, assistant, and support. We handle them by showing them the return on investment if they move into the cloud. But if all of them don't work, then at the end of the day, we just write them out. Final objection you're going to hear, and again, we don't get this that often, but it's still out there. It's the fear of implementation, right? I've never gone to the cloud before. I don't know how it works. I am really, really scared, and I don't know what to do. Help me, right? So this is an easy one for us, guys, because we're a very process-oriented organization. So we can lean on our service delivery team. These are our really smart guys who all they do, this is a bunch of engineers, that all these really smart guys do is bring customers over to rapid scale, right? We also lean on our solution engineering team, right? More smart guys who actually sit down and they'll put together a scope of work, give the customer the documentation to show them exactly the steps that we take to migrate them over to the cloud. If the sales engineers can't convince them, we have the service delivery team get involved, right? And typically at this point in time, we've overcome their concerns about having a smooth and successful implementation. Document, document, document. We are working and have handled most of these compliance requirements already. And then the server huggers, we'll win them, not all of them, but at the end of the day, we can wait them out. So thank you very much.